Hello, welcome to the age of AI. Building a WordPress website have never been this easier. Hello people, my name is Mubashir from LmsCrafter, and in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can build an amazing WordPress website using an AI under just few minutes. I will start off by choosing the right domain name for you. Then I will move to choosing the right hosting platform for you. Hosting will be based on the pricing and your budget. And if you don't have a budget for the hosting, I will show you that how you can install the WordPress on your local host so you can actually do your practice or in your learning and move to the setting of the WordPress. Once the WordPress is ready, I will attach the AI tool with our WordPress and give the description to the AI tool. Once our website is ready using AI, I will enhance and customize the website based on our branding. So without a further ado, let's just get started. Choosing a right domain name is a little bit of a difficult job here that you need to do. GoDaddy provides amazing support. Their support is amazing, but the good thing is that if you are getting the domain from the GoDaddy, you can actually enhance your website by utilizing their other services like their hosting, their email, their security, and much more. But if you're looking for the cheap domain, then go for the Dynadot. Dynadot is another amazing option. Now I'm going to type the domain name here on the GoDaddy and I will show you the different prices. So because we're going to build the website agency who are selling the web services, I'm going to type the name of Bashir Web Services. And it is going to show us a couple of different options. Webservices.com for ₹1 only, because right now I'm in Pakistan, so it's going to show me the prices in the PKR. So let's just see this same domain name on the Dynadot and see what comes next. So on the Dynadot, domain is also available, but it says $12.99 a first renewal year. And I think if you get a domain from the Dynadot, the next renewal is going to be $20 for the .com domain. So these two websites. I have a great experience on the website, the GoDaddy and the Dynadot as well. And a lot of my clients are using these two websites. So I recommended you these two. Otherwise, there are other options like Namecheap or the SiteGround. SiteGround is actually more kind of a hybrid platform. So this Namecheap is also great options, but these two are my recommendation, but you can buy from wherever you like. All right, so we're the next step, and in this step we're going to choose the best hosting. So these are the two recommended budget hosting. Remember, these are the budget hosting. Under this certain budget, these two hosting platforms are really good for the budget part. So for the SiteGround, the hosting starts at $3.99 per month only. And for the Hostinger, it starts from $2.99 per month only. But here's the one trick. If you go to the checkout, it will say you that you have to choose for, I think, 48 months or something like that. But again, I'm going to choose a platform. I'm going to choose this plan of $2.99 a month. Okay. And I'm going to show you the prices of this and the SiteGround as well. For my personal use, I'm using actually the Herzner server. It's amazing. Herzner server company is amazing. It's a German hosting company, and they have amazing speed. I have installed the cPanel with that. So there's a whole different option, but I'm going to show you just so you guys get an idea for the hosting prices. So, well, as I said, is for the 48 months. So we need to get for the 12 months. Okay. And then I will create the prices. I will show you that what is going to cost at the end of it. So it's after 75% of discount is just $108. And good thing is that one domain name comes free if you buy a hosting from the Hostinger. And the same scenario with the SiteGround as well. So you have to spend $35, but again, in the next year, the price is going to be a bit different. Plan renews at $9.99 per month. So it's going to be like $120, $110, something like that next year. So do remember that. Then we will move to the SiteGround and I will check its prices. Again, for the SiteGround, it starts with the $3.99, but it offers you the one website, 10 GB of spaces. And if you want to get something good like Grow Big, It is 669 and unlimited website with 20 GB of space and 100,000 monthly visitors. Okay, let me see what they are offering at. Let me go back to the Hostinger prices. Yeah, they're offering 100 website for each. So nobody is going to host 100 website, but again, it said that they're going to do that. They will say the maximum allowed per account. So I will go for this cheaper plan, and I will see what the total will be at the end. So I will choose my domain name. It says Busher Web Services. Why type on O always? So, and again, the new domain is not free on SiteGround, so you have to remember that. So for the SiteGround, the total will be $65.87 at the end, and the plan renews at a different rate, I think. So you can see it says $17.99 a month. I'm not sure that am I going to bill next year $79 per month, but that's what it says. So these are the two options we have at the moment for choosing a right hosting platform. But one thing, as resource oriented, so they perform little better on the SiteGround compared to the Hostinger. But if you are getting started, Hostinger is amazing option. So all right, so that's it for our hosting. Now try the third option we have is the local host. We're going to install the local WordPress on our local host. So for that, I have made a complete video, and I will give you the link in the description and in the I button as well. You can go and actually see that, but I'm going to show you that from where you can actually get that. So we call it local by WP Engine. Okay. I think the WP Engine have developed this amazing tool, so I will highly recommend that. If you're learning the WordPress environment or teaching your students like me, you can actually you should try this tool. Okay, just simply put out all of your information, your first name, your last name, your email address, and your platform. I'm using Mac, so and just say the freelancer or agency, and just download that. Once downloaded, something like this will be open up. Let me open the local by WP Engine. Okay, let me close these two tabs. All right, so here we have the local by WP Engine. So once it's installed and you're logging to your local, it will kind of look like this. So for this video, I'm going to use this local. So I will start creating a new website. I click on continue. I will choose my website name is called the Mob Web Services. Mob is my short name. My real name is Mubashir. So let's just get started. I will go for the preferred version and choose my username and password admin. One of the reasons I prefer this local host while recording my YouTube video is that it's a lot faster compared to if I go to the actual website and install the WordPress and do, because I don't want to make a lot of cuts in my videos. So it's a little faster option. You're going to get a good response because the whole WordPress environment in your local host, so you get a better speed. Well, that's it. Our WordPress is installed on our local host. Now I will go at the back end of my website. Let me enter the domain name of username and password, not the domain name. All right, this is the fresh installation of WordPress, and that's how the fresh WordPress backend look like. You see, we have a 2024 appearance theme. Okay, and at the front end we have this page set up as our home page. So I will go at the back end of my website and do a little bit of a cleanup. So most of these things except this at glance is unnecessary. So I will go at health status, site activity, draft, WordPress event. I don't need any of those, and yeah, that's it. This is going to be my WordPress dashboard page. Okay, and so I will start off by installing the theme on my WordPress website. So the themes I love are two themes, the Cadence and the Astra theme. So the both web themes are here, actually the Elementor, the Astra, and So I will choose the Elementor plugin as my go-to page editor and my Astra theme. Alright, so our theme is installed. Let me activate my Astra theme and then I will install some of the essentials plugin. I'm going to use the Astra starter templates, but I'll come onto that in the later point of the video. I will install some of the plugins that I need. Akismet should be installed. So let's install the Akismet and search for the Elementor. Oh, let me write Elementor. So here's the Elementor. Elementor is growing at a lightning speed. You can see the 10 million active installations. So it's growing really fast. When I started using Elementor in 2021 or maybe 2020, that was at the very early stages. Alright, so our plugins are installed and the plugin of our choice and the theme of our choice is installed. So let's just go at the back end and install one more plugin. It's called the Astra Starter Templates. Let's go with the Starter Templates. You can activate from here, or you can just simply go at the plugin section, add a new plugin, and then install the Astra Starter Templates. Alright, so we have Astra Starter Templates installed, and this is a page that will open up, and it will give you the two options to go with. The first one is going to be built with an AI. Second one is going to be classic templates, classic starter templates that we always use. I'm going to show you the both, but first go for this option, build with an AI, and let's just get started. You need to connect your website with the ZipWP app. Okay, and to get a ZipWP app account, just simply go to my website, type LmsCrafter/ZipWP and go to the ZipWP. That's the website that do the magic. So let's just go back here and sign up by choosing an email address. Alright, so once the website is attached, you need to do one thing. You need to first go to your email address and confirm that you are the one. You're going to get a verification code for that, so you need to confirm that you got that verification code and put that on your website. Okay, and there are four options. Three are the one the paid, but the four option is that first one is the free option that we actually go with. Second one is that pay per use, as you're using, just simply pay that one time. And pro option $199 a year, and it gives you the 5 website generation per day, 20,000 AI credit, access to the premium design. So inside of that, there's some premium design and free design, and finally the $399 that they have actually recommended us. So we're not going to buy that much of the expensive package, but for this video we're going to choose the free package. We just get started with the free. So this is where we have to put our verification code that we got. It's called 14579. So my website is attached with ZipWP. Now all I need to do is just simply click on continue, and well, we are getting started with AI, building up my first website. Honestly, this is my first website with an AI. So I have read about the ZipWP in the group of the Shorecard, because this company is owned by I think the Snap Orbital, the Shujay Pawar. So I have read about that, and then I simply came here to build a website using an AI. So let's just get started by building that and enter the website name. So I'm going to choose name. It's called LearnDash, because I'm the LearnDash expert, so I need to add that LearnDash web services. Okay, it's an it's an agency, and the name is going to be English. Okay, LearnDash web services provides element and e-learning solutions (5 years). We are expert at LearnDash, WordPress, WP Fusion, and other automation tools. So we are expert at the Active Campaign or other automation tools as well, but I'm going to write this one. And what and where? We are based in UK and Pakistan. What, where, what we do, where, why we do. We're really good. We're really good at that, but we can include the services we're offering. We are offering web design and development services, with course creation and marketing automation tools set up as well. And so that was a rough idea that I give to ZipWP, but I will improve it by using an AI and see that what does the AI do. Yeah, with the solution, go to choice of business seeking comprehensive learning solution. First one, my one. Second one is this one. Yeah, let's just go with this improved version. Otherwise we can do the more improvement as well, but I think that will do the justification. So my email address is going to be cs.lmscrafter, phone number is going to be, and here's my address, and we can add the YouTube of the LmsCrafter YouTube of the LmsCrafter and move to the next stage. So I think maybe I'm on the local host. I'm not sure why it is not showing up the images, but I can upload my own images as well. To get my own images, I will simply go to the pixel and I will search the web design, and I will go choose this image, download it, this image to create. And for the SEO services, this is also amazing. For showing up my team working, this is also amazing. And idea creation, yeah, this will work. So I have downloaded 3 or 4 images to actually quickly go over, and let me just check that if any was, yeah, it's not working. So it's, I think not, I'm not sure why it's not working locally. So choose from here these 5 images and upload it. All right, so we have all of our 5 images uploaded. So I will just simply select and I will move to the next step. And now it's generating me a view for the agency or the SaaS design. Well, the first design looks better, but I think my images are not loading up. I will go for this. Well, but there are other options as well. So I will go for this one. Let me check this one. Why choose the LearnDash web services? Yeah. Well, that's look, honestly, that look great. This one, I'm a little bit sad that my images are not loading. Maybe because I'm using the local host, and next time I will try to make a video that will be on my live hosting. I actually don't use I don't use the live hosting for most of my videos, just because I really want a good speed. But this time I get to know the one downside of that one as well. But I really like this design as well. This color combination is green. So I will go with this option. I will choose this design, okay, and we can do the customization of the colors as well from here. The font, you can change that. LearnDash web services, well, amazing, you can do that, and we can change the colors as well. But again, I really like this color, so I will just simply go with this option. You can actually upload your logo here and see that how it looks. For the logo creation, I recommend you to go to the Canva. So let's go to the Canva and design a quick logo. So my logo is ready. The good part is that I just made this logo under just 2 minutes, and the bad part is that I just completely copied the LearnDash logo. So previously I thought let's just build without the logo, but I think that logo is the essence of the website. So at least we have that no matter what is that. So let's download this logo and make sure we have a transparent background, and just download this one. Our logo is downloaded and saved. Now upload the logo. Let's disable the site title, so we just have this logo available. And what we can do is that we can do one more thing. We can choose the colors that combines with our logo. Yeah, well, that looks a little better. All right, so continue with this design, but again you can actually go back and choose any of these designs. These 3 designs are actually dark designs. It's completely changed without going for the white background. So this option is good as well, but what was the first one? This one is, yeah, but the problem is that the logo does not have any of these colors, so I'm going to choose this option. I don't really like the dark theme of it, so I will choose this one with a white background, and I will click on next. Well, I need certain features here. I need to sell my services. I will choose for the e-commerce, and for this e-commerce I think they're going to install the shortcut, because ZipWP is the plugin is a tool developed by the team who have developed the shortcut and the Astra. So I'm expecting that this is going to be shortcut, and it's going to be automation. It is going to be short trigger, I think. We don't need we need a live chat as well. We don't need a donation or the video player. So let's start building. I mean, it's really simple and amazing compared to the website we used to build like 3 or 4 years ago. So AI have completely changed the industry. Let's wait for this thing to be complete, and I will join you after this little cut. All right, so we have our website ready using an AI. So let's just see the website and let's make few changes. Well, we have this homepage. The header is, this image is not something that I was expecting, so I will edit that one and change. I will make a few adjustments so that things look a little bit better compared to what we have seen in the images. But again, this looks much better for the import. I'll highly recommend to use this AI tool, specifically if you're a person that know nothing about the website design. So this will really give you the starting point, and you can do the customization and make sure that things look a lot better. So I will start off with my homepage, and I will edit my homepage. First I will replace this image. I really don't like that one. It's like the gaming zone on the homepage. So I will replace this image. I will click on change the image. Well, we can choose this one. This looks better, and select start. Yes, this image looks better. And empower online learning, transform education through innovative learning. Yeah, so I think the AI confused text a little bit of something that we are teaching courses rather than we are building the e-learning website. Empower your online services. So I will change this text line with something that I like. So instead of thinking myself to change this tagline, I will get the AI help, but the little bit better AI. We have ChatGPT 4, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT 4 that I have a website that providing the services LearnDash web agency. I need some headings for my homepage. So we are offering LearnDash design and development services. I need tagline for my hero section and some catchy description as well. So let's see what does the ChatGPT offers. Alright, so as expected, the ChatGPT gives us the better tagline: seamless LearnDash solution for engaging education. Okay, I will change that one, and because I use ChatGPT for my LmsCrafter, is showing services. Profit the LearnDash services for this expert help. Yes, we'll get this tagline and put it here. Let's get started. This is the page that is going to be connected to my contactor page. It is already connected to the contact page, so let's just save this one. Now, looking at the back of this section is web design, development, course creation, support, things like that. Okay, so first let's see how the home page look like right now. The tagline looks much better, and let's customize this and get rid of this text as well. So click on here, this will give you the whole website, branding, identity at a first glance. And what I'm going to do is go on a globals and go to the colors. I will close this one, and I can choose the multiple styles we have. You can choose this one. See, it's the previous one, and what other? They're offering multiple color palettes. This one, so this one resembles a little bit of this, yeah, but this aligned very well. So in case if you want to change the colors of the website, you can just simply click here and choose any of the color palette, and that will imply changes all over your website. I'm not sure why I feel like this color looks a little better compared to the color I chose just because of my logo. But again, we are here to disable this description thing on the header, site title, and logo. And so our site title is gone. I think that will remain at the back end, but I've removed it from here. But while going to design, see that what other things it says that header preset. I'm going to look at the preset that currently have is this one. This ones look also nice, but we really need the button call to action. So I think these options look much better. Okay, and I will go back again to the global colors and adjust my colors back to that was original, so it looks better. All right, so that's it for the design part. And let me go back and see on the website if I can do any kind of a customization on the home page. So we have web design services, development, robust platform. So I would recommend you to get, because we have built this website using AI, so I would recommend you to get ChatGPT to do its job and build most of this inner content. Okay. So far from my side, it's look good. But before finishing off this tutorial, I will go back at the back end of the website and I will see that what plugins they have installed when building our website. So here's a shortcut. I told you while they were doing this AI thing that they're definitely going to use the shortcut. They're not going to use the WooCommerce. They're going to use the shortcut. Shortcut is an amazing plugin. So for the chat, they use 3xe live chat. The Spectra for the Gutenberg starter templates, we have installed that at the start of the video. Shortcut for the e-commerce functionality if people are buying our services. And finally, the show triggers to do the automation. I really love show triggers. Show trigger is amazing. It's an alternate of WP Fusion, but at a very early stage. So So that's it from my side. Hope you really like this video. I didn't went so much into the customization of the website, but I'm going to make a new videos very soon with more details, with a more enhanced use of AI, and that is going to be on the live host rather than on the local host, because I have seen while recording this video that local host does have some limitations. So it's better to get on the live web hosting. I'm going to make a comprehensive tutorial for the AI very soon in the future. So for that, if you really like my effort, you like this video, because I'm just getting started with all of these videos. So if you love that video, like that video, please do subscribe to my channel, the LmsCrafter. And if you're looking for the web development design services, you can visit the LmsCrafter.com all right, don't go for the slash thing, but go to the LmsCrafter, and from LmsCrafter you can actually hire a LearnDash developer, or you can actually talk to an expert. You can actually book a meeting with us, and we will quickly respond you for the meeting, and you can actually talk to expert like me or someone else that will guide you about choosing the right plugins, the right resources for your LearnDash website. We specialize in building the LearnDash and membership websites, so we really love to help you and love to have you on board for the Buddy Boss, LearnDash, or any kind of related work project. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and visit LmsCrafter, and subscribe to my channel will be amazing. This will really help me encourage me to make tutorial like these for you, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.